Today's my presentation on classification of signals. Introduction to classification of signals. Signals and the fundamental in a Signals are the fundamental communication system and can be classified based on the various creations. Understanding the signals classification helps in selecting the appropriate processing technology. In this presentation, I will explain the different methodology and the type of a signal classification. Types of signals. The signals can be broadly categorized into a analog and digital system. The analog signals are uh, continuous in a natural representing the various over time. Digital signals are the describe and the content to a binary values offering the improving a noise resilience. Communication versus distraction signals. The communication signals are defined for for every instance of a time reflecting the smooth variations. The direct signals are the defined only specified. The classification of signals as a determine or random significations influence the analysis of a technology. The predicting versus predicting signals. The predicting signals represent the various at the regular intervals, making that them predictable. Predicting signals do not exhibit the regular patterns and can be very widely over time. The predicting of all signals is crucially for its representation and the frequency domination analysis. Energy and the power signals. The energy have fluent energy and are non-topically and non-predictable. The power signals having a infinity energy but infinite power offers in the predicting signals. Understanding the distance between the energy and the power signals helps the signals to processing the applications. Baseband versus band pause signals. The baseband signals occupies the frequency range starting from 0 up to a central maximum frequency. Band pass signals are finally limit to a specific frequency range and do not include the zero frequency. The classification into baseband and the band pass in a importance for the modulating translation streets. Classification based on the methodology. The signals can be classified according to their modulation technology such as AM and FM and PM. The amplitude modulation varies the amplitude of the carrier carrier signals with the message signals. The frequency modulation changes the frequency of the carrier signals based on the message signals. Signal processing technology. Define define different the classification of a signal required. uh, Tolerated the processing of a technology from the effective analysis. The technologies such as filtering, the sampling, and the Fourier analysis are the applied for a based on the signal types. Selecting the appropriate the signal processing methodology uh, enhance the data analysis and the technology inference. Conclusion. Signal classification is a variable virtual aspect of the communication and the signal processing. The understanding the various types and the characteristics of a signal leaded the better system to design. The future ad- advanced attachment in the technology will be connected enable how we can classify the processing of the signals. Reference.